Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate Just Eat Courier account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is click on the Apply Now option. And from here, these are the initial requirements for you to create your Just Eat Courier account. Alright, you have to be age 18 or over, you have a smartphone plus data, you have a proof of right to work in the UK. If you plan to deliver with a motorized vehicle, you'll need to see your license and business insurance. And again, please only apply in the delivery zone you wish to work in, because the platform are not able to offer you opportunities in a different zone. Now, once you've done that, click on the blue button here, the apply option, and just provide all the information necessary and just click on the create an account. All right, but if you already done so, just click on the login option and use your credentials, and then you're all set. Now the next step is, after doing all of these, now for you to be able to see the status of your sign up is dependent on the completion of the following checkpoints. All right, of course, uploading your relevant documents, which may include a driver's license, proof of insurance, and proof of residency. After that, the completion of all the learning videos in the Courier portal, just click on here, and passing the background check. Of course, you need to provide a valid banking information so that they can pay you, and purchasing your Just Eat thermal bags or receiving approval on your existing bags. Lastly, downloading the Courier app, and please take note that background checks can take up to 14 business days to process. Once all the above requirements are met and your background is approved, your account will be activated and you will be given an email notification. In that sense, you might want to click on the downloading the Courier app. Now, you are always welcome to go to the Just Eat customer service support, and from here just choose the relevant situation that applies to your case, especially if you have inquiries about your Just Eat Courier account sign up process. Right, as you can see, there's a lot, and remember that there's an option here that says Courier document checklist. Click on it, because it's very important that you know all of this, so that it will speed up your application process. In that sense, it's going to be easier to activate your account. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to know more about Just Eat your Courier, just go to their website, and see you in the next video.